Hello friends, it's Danny here from Danny's Dreams, and it's time for another Mail Day Thursday. Mail Day Thursday is something I started last week that I'm going to continue through 2022, where every week I'm going to send out 3 to 5 cards to random people. And then I am also encouraging everyone else to send out at least one card. We make all these beautiful cards, and then for most of us that I've seen, we keep them in boxes, and that's just no good. Let's start sending those cards out. In the description box below, I have the 2 people that I was inspired by. And then also I have a link to my Google form for you to fill out if you would like to be considered to receive a card. Can't guarantee that everyone will get a card. There's no rhyme or reason as to who gets what card. So just fill it out, and I will be sending some happy mail out. So the cards that I am giving away this week are this one. It says, "You are beautiful." And she's painting her nails, listening to her tunes. I also have this mermaid card. I love my mermaids. It's got some shimmer on it. And on the inside it says, "You are simply mermazing." I have this cute mouse that says, "Say cheese." It's blank on the inside. And then a very sparkly one with this fun girl, and it's blank on the inside. And then the last one, this paper is like embossed, but it just feels really cool, so I always feel it. I don't know, I'm a nerd, what can I say? Total diva. And this paper is like flocked, so it's all fuzzy. Yeah. She's got some sparkle on her little crown. Just a fun card, and she's stamped on the inside. So those are the cards that I will be mailing out this week. Again, the link is in the description box below for you to go ahead and fill out. And with your contact information, please be sure to put your first, last name, and like the city, the state, and the zip, because without those, I really can't send it on. And then I am so excited to be able to share that I got my first happy mail this week. If you follow Crafty Al, you have probably seen this card already. I fell in love with it. I think it is just the cutest card. This is the Kawaka from Cat Scrappiness, and just the background, and oh, I fell in love with it. Oh yeah, she sent me a sticker. So fun. But yeah, I loved it. Just the perfect placement of the embellishments. And so I probably screeched a little bit with happiness when I got it in the mail. So I was excited for that. Thank you so much, Alicia. And then my friend Diane also sent me a card. Look how pretty that is. That pretty bird, and then the little leaves, that background, that die. I think I need to start getting some of these like more intricate dies. I don't really have anything like that. And then the little flag banner. I just love it. And it made me smile so much to get some happy mail. In my craft room, I have a fireplace that I don't use, and it's got a rock like mantle, and I keep all my cards up there. So I'm excited to put these up on my mantle. All right, I think that's all I have today. Leave me, or go fill out the comment or the contact form. I'll get some mail out today or tomorrow, and challenge you, go send at least one card out. Thanks for stopping by, and have an amazing day.